Yo, what is going on? It is Tuesday, January 27th, 11:16, and another slow day at the office. I made a mistake. Didn't take no trades. I made a mistake, and then the other one was just a forward test eval play. I don't have any evals, so unfortunately couldn't take it. So let's get into the day. So coming into the day, hold on, let me fix this real quick. Back to how I usually have it. All right, so coming into the day, what I wanted to actually see was longs. I wanted to see longs, yes. I wanted to see us come down, Judah swing into here, then come up. What did we do? We came down, we Judah swinged into here, wicked off beautifully, sprinted up. This is the exact trade that I want to see. What I had weird was like I didn't know where to place my stop loss, and I guess just under this wick, targeting this 15, targeting that 15-minute right there. Yeah, I was confused where to place this, and where I fucked up was that I didn't realize it. I was on a 30-second time frame, and look at the 30-second with this trade. I don't know how I didn't fucking realize it. It didn't inverse here, and then it didn't inverse on this candle, which this candle, I believe, no, this was the closure. Right? Was that, what was the closure? What time was the closure? 9:31. That's what it was. I didn't get in because this candle at 9:31 didn't like fully inverse on, as you can see, it like closed to the tick, but with the 1 minute close all the way through, would have been an entry break even once we ran this internal high. This would have been my break even, and then it would have just broke me even because obviously we failed to take out these equal highs, which was my drawn liquidity for the day. Once we started pumping down here, and I kind of did want to see a retracement into this 5 and this 5B, whether or not we were going to continue bearish or bullish. So that's why I had this right here. They see this SMT. Why doesn't it save my forward test? I had this forward tested right here. I took it. Okay, here's where the discretion came in. Boom. These were equal lows. We ran them out. Okay, cool. Technically a liquidity sweep, right? We then had the 2-minute variation, right? But if we take a look at the displacement that was happening on the 1 minute, this candle alone, and then these two being bullish, I would have wanted to take the 1 minute because I knew that the 2 minute was going to fly through, tag the 5 before anything could have happened. Now if we take a look, this would have broken me even. Would have broken me even to how many ticks? 7 points, and then what? Sprinted up. So it would have been a fucking fuming day. Would have been fucking fuming. Yeah, that was really it for today. After that, we pumped up, and then there's no valid draws on liquidity. We have this old daily fair value gap from, let's see, I don't think it was like old, but like, let's see, from November. daily fair value gap from November, which it honestly seems like we're about to run up and get to it. We're only 20 points away. But yeah, that was it on the day. Why I didn't want to target shorts necessarily. This London low technically was still a draw, but we were SMT'd and we were inside of the 4 hour. If we take a look, ES had this London low operating inside of this 4 hour gap. So then there's SMT'd at that low. So to me, it's not like, oh, that's what I'm going to seek shorts off of. And then I would have wanted to see us blow through just like this, perfectly like this, to want to seek Asia low, right? But off of Asia, what was our reaction? We had a fake out essentially of a rejection, and then we ended up continuing higher and higher and higher. Now, that's how you can tell this is a V shape. Good mechanically because we had this internal SMT within this 4 hour bullish fair value gap. And this being as though, price is going to want to correct this price leg real quick to then continue trending downwards. And you can just go break even at the correction of that price leg. And if it doesn't, if it does keep running, then obviously you're already in and you keep sprinting higher. But yeah, other than that, for the rest of the day, decently shit price action. This probably you would have gone filled unless there was like a higher time frame. Yeah, nothing. Maybe if you like wait for a retrace and then you go break even back against here. If you're like somebody like me, like I know I'd go break even right there just because I don't want to see it chop around more. Then it'd come down, almost break you out, and then you'd still technically, you would still be in this trade right now. If you took like this 2 minute long at 10 a.m. to this daily fair value gap, if you don't go break even once we retake. So if you wait to get tagged, let's say you wait to get tagged in right here, just trying to get a little bit of, how many points did it close above? Close 17 points, so you wait right here, you let it close 12, okay. So you get extra, pay yourself all those points, right? You only close 8 points above. I'm just yapping right now. And then, you don't go break even after this resweep, you would still 100% be in this trade, and it probably 100% will play out. So yeah, this would have been that. Not for me. Not my type of trade. I want a better, stronger draw on liquidity. Yeah, I did miss out on this early 1 minute, which I wish I could have taken, but my dumb ass needs to be more attentive. That was one of the things I needed to work on, and it's showing again. Attentive to the time frame. But again, this would have been a good trade. Just would have had to go break even right there. I mean, stop loss right there. Eval for me, why? I don't know. I'm just not like I'm able to read this shit. But I'm not like like this isn't like I would want shorts essentially. Like I would want to save my one trade for shorts in this situation. Like I'd want a reaction off of this. And seek shorts and then seek on like I would have wanted to seek shorts. I believe golden pocket of the range was like right at 270 something, the higher time frame range. So yeah, that's about all that I had today. Honestly, called it a day at like 10:30 because the draws were ass. Everything was just ass. So yeah, I really should have been able to get break even on this, and then this was a good forward test. So yeah, that's all that I have for today. Peace out.